Thiko igere thutha wa kwanirirwo kwa muhotani wa giturwa kia upresident muthi wa mwambiriirio kiumia giki, ngwataniro cia makanitha hamwe na atongoria ndini itiganite nimanyitanire kuhunjia thayu na kuria nduriri cikaranie na urumwe. Magitugiria aria marahotanire iturwa itiganite cia kiuteti, atongoria aya nimaugite hari bata wa kuririkana aria matanahotana niguo kumanyitirira na kumahe mwihoko na kumaririkania kihitaitano-ini o giothe gitiagaga muhotani na muhoto.
While we congratulate those who have been elected, we also realize that many others were not successful. So we want to be with them. We know that these brothers and sisters are in need of our healing, special leading, spiritual nurturing, to enable them to move to the next stage of life. Religious leaders and clergy all across the country remain always available to provide the service all Kenyans may need of counseling and spiritual support.
Niguo gukorwo kionereria kiega kuri bururi, atongoria ya nimambiriirie mihango ya kwaraniria na atongoria aria marahitahitanagira giturwa-ini kia upresident kuria umuthi magiire na giikaro na president muthure Daktari William Ruto muciini gwake mwena wa Karen, guku makiuga mari mutaratara-ini wa kwaraniria na president Uhuru Kenyatta hamwe na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga niguo kugacirithia urumwe gatagati kao na kweheria hahu bururi-ini.
And we are very grateful that Honorable Raila Odinga in his statement yesterday said that that's the path that should they want to pursue, they will follow, and that all Kenyans should remain peaceful as we move forward.
It is our hope and prayer that this engagement will promote justice, peace and prosperity.
Kurumirira njatukano iria ireyumiritie gatagati-ini ka makomishna a kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC, atongoria ya nimaugite nimambiriirie cikaro cia guthikiriria miena yeri niguo kurehe kihonia kia naihenya kia njatukano ino na ruata uria kwahotekeka, guku magicakaya na family ya afitha wa IEBC uria woragirwo na mwiri wake gucoka kuonekana otetwo mwena wa Loitoktok kaunti-ini ya Kajiado.
We recognize the centrality of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission, IEBC, in a political process as enshrined in our constitution and the laws of Kenya. We as religious leaders are concerned with apparent disunity among the commissioners.
Kwa noguo muingi wa bururi ni wikirio ritana ya guthie na mbere na kugacirithia thayu na guikarania na urumwe na ndugetikire guthingithio kana kunyita itemi kurehe njatukano cigimainie na murugamo wao wa kiuteti.